Hello, my name is Akilito. This is part 6 of Bohemian Rhapsody tutorial. So let's get started. So first one, 0, 0, 3, 3. Pick the bottom 2 string and top string. Then goes like this. So first this shape, 0, 0, 8, 7. So pick the second string and first string, then pick the first string again, but put your pinky on the first 10. So then G. So G shape, 0, 2, 3, 2, and pick the bottom 3 string and pick the top string. Then the same thing, this shape, 0, 0, 7, 5, and pick the second string and the first string. Then put your pinky on the first 10 and pick the first string. Okay, so it goes like this. Then touch it, don't touch anything, and play the bottom 3 string, top string, and fake harmonics on 12th. So yeah. Okay, I think I taught you about the fake harmonics. So just do the fake harmonics on the bottom 3 string, then E7, A minor, E7 again, A minor. So this one, 1, 2, 0, 2, then 2, 0, 0, 3. So okay, down, down, up, down, 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 up, down, down, down. Then so then bar the 5th fret. So first 7, first 8, first 7. Okay, then first 12. Okay, then this chord, 0, 6, 7, 6. Strum. Put your pinky on the first 7. Sorry, and first 9. So first 7, first 9. Then this chord, 0, 11, 0, 10. Then F, okay, strum, pick the first string and put your ring finger on the first two, and pick it. Then this chord, 0, 0, 3, 0. So okay, okay, then this one, first chord is F, bar the 5th fret and put your pinky on the first 8. Strum and first 7 and second 8. Just take off your fingers and play the second string. Then this one. So 4, 4, 3 0 and pick the top 3 string and pick the second string, then so first chord is 5 5 5 7. First 8, first 5, first 7, first 5. Second 8, second 7, then this chord, the same chord as the last one, 4 4 3 0, and then this chord, yeah. So first 5 5 5 7. Put your pinky on the second 8. Then first 5, first 7, second 8. This chord 0 5 4 3. Down up down up down up, then so then with the pinky on the first 5 to first 7, so okay, so pick 5 5 5 7, first 5 dun dun, then twice on the second 8, second 5, second 7 8, then so C, pick the bottom 3 strings of C. Okay, then pick C, then third, second, top, then F, and put your ring finger on the first 2. Down, 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 then okay, so next one is this one. 0 0 3 0 and play the middle 2 string, strum, and 3 2, then so this one, this chord 2 3 2 0 and play the top 3 string and play and put your pinky on the fourth 4. Okay, so basically you just make G shape up here and put your pinky on the fourth 4. Off and off, often put on and off, yes. Then sorry, this one. Next one is this chord. 2 3 2 4 3 0. 2 4 3 0. Pick and third, second, pick the top 3 string and third, second, then so this chord 0 2, 3, 0, and pick the middle 2 string. Then this chord, 0, 2, 1, 0, still middle 2 string, and take off all your fingers and play the middle 2 string, and A strum, then strum, and third, second, then so this one, bar the 7th fret and with your pinky on the first 10, strum, and first 8, so okay, 10, 8, 8, 7, then this chord. This is a bit hard. Just make F shape and put your fingers out like this, by the way. So with your middle finger on the fourth 6, it's on the sixth fret of the top string, and with your ring finger on the 7th fret of the 3rd string, and with your pinky on the 7th fret of the bottom string, and with your point finger on the 5th fret of the 2nd string. So it's gonna be like 6, 7, 5, 6. Okay. So top string, top, 2nd, 3rd, then so then so this chord, yeah, this chord, 7, 6, 5, 5. So bar the 5th fret and make B minor shape. Yeah, this chord. Okay, so strum. Dun, dun, dun. Goes like this. So, and 2nd, 1st, 3rd, then so this chord, 0, 7, 7, 5. Pick middle 2 string, then 1st string, and the same thing, 0, 6, 5, 5. Pick middle 2 string and 1st string, so, and slide 1 back. So then this chord is add your ring finger on the first. Sorry, I'm gonna tell you again this chord. So 0, 5, 4, 5, and middle 2 string and bottom string, and this chord, 0, 4, 5, 4, so middle 2 string and bottom string, and D. So I'm gonna do it again. This chord and this chord, this chord, and G shape, and D. So the last D is 2 2 2 5. Okay, so that's the end of the tutorial. I think I screwed up some point in a tutorial, but I'm sorry about it. I don't want to cut because it's so long, and I don't really, this is second take, so just forgive me about it. I mean, please review the parts again and again, and please learn through the video. I don't have any tabs or anything, so if you ask tabs, I will answer it, but I'm not gonna give you any tabs because I don't have any. So, well, yeah. Anyway, I hope you liked it, and if you like this video, please give a big thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. And if you have any suggestions or any kind of comments, please write the comment section down below so that I can read it. Actually, I read every single comment, so yeah, please leave me a comment. That gives me some kind of encouragement to continue on this channel. So yeah, see you in the next video. Bye bye.